What's going on, guys? Another day at the shop. Time to get this all finished up. Got the rest of the parts here. And yeah, gonna start off by doing the crank bolt. Make sure you have to take it off the engine stand, because you have to do 100 foot-pounds. It's gonna be crazy to see, but we'll get it done. And yeah, we'll put the cams, start timing it. Our oil pan will go on. But yeah, we're pretty much there, guys. Yes, sir. Last look at the internals. Shit.
Yes, sir. One last sanity check.
Alright, y'all. Finally putting the oil pan on. Just put the pickup tube and the windage tray on. The oil gasket.
Now we're gonna close it up.
Time to close it up.
Forget anything. Timing chain stuff's all in.
Yeah, this red thing doesn't come off yet.
Nope. Well, we'll pull that from the front after this is already on. So, but yeah, dude.
Hell yeah.
Let her rip.
Damn, just like that, it's a whole motor, pretty much. Crazy to see.
Let's pull the gasket here. There we go.
Got the oil pan all on. Everything else all torqued. About to take it off the engine stand and put it on the floor. Get this crank hub bolt torqued to 100. It's gonna be crazy to do. When you get it done. Doing it the sketchy way, no chains. Fuck it. Time to do the crank hub bolt. Just like that, we're all ready. Got the auto flywheel or flex plate on, so we can put something in to stop it from spinning. And then, yeah, we're about to do this crank hub bolt, 100 newton meters. It's gonna be crazy. All ready to do this crank bolt, 100 foot-pounds. Here we come. 100 newton meters. Oh yeah, the 360's the gnarly part.
The last like 30 degrees is what really gets you.
That's why we have this thing on the ground. And then we got this lock for the flex plate, so the motor can't spin. It's gonna be fun. Yo, we sending it. We're surfing on the block and everything. Oh shit.
Okay, lean forward.
What is this strap here for? Why don't you guys strap it down to the fucking engine stand?
We could do that.
Henry!
Needed 3 people, fuck it.
What's that, 2 something?
Oh, dude, we got quarter turn left. So close.
Yeah, 2 something.
You just guessing the torque?
Yes.
Holy
Sorry,
shit.
guys. I gotta get underneath this
Make sure you
fucking
say click when you're done.
snap, click.
It's coming, so
Holy shit.
That.
Oh, you marked it on there.
Yep. A little more.
I swear, if this thing hits my press line, I'm gonna be mad as fuck. Cause I got a fine thing locked in tonight.
We're almost there.
Still not doing it?
A little bit more.
You're not gonna charge me for this session.
I paid for 15 hours. But my cross gets hit, you're paying for her dinner and all that shit. I gotta take a night somewhere nice and I still ain't gonna hit it.
A little bit more.
That's funny as fuck.
These suckers already getting hot, I can hear from here.
Second.
That's it.
Just like that, it's all done. Time to throw it back on the stand and
Sorry
put
for
the
your
cams
short
on.
Live video, sir.
No, it's chill. We're
A
gonna
little sketchy, real quick.
put the cams on and time it. And it'll be a full motor. Yes, sir. Time to put the lifters in and then the rockers.
That's glass. I'm pretty sure. You know, we're just not gonna do that.
Yeah.
That is a glass fucking container.
That's all I had that would semi-seal. Getting close, y'all. The cam trays and the cams all ready to go. Just gonna clean all the sprockets and stuff. What are these called? The cam gears?
Yeah.
Cam gears. Put the rest of the timing chain in. Shit, we're getting to the finale. Yes, sir. Finally got the cams in. Almost ready to time it.
Public thrust.
Didn't work.
I heard your age though. Something popped.
A little.
Do you not have? Where's the? Oh, you already pulled the pin?
What?
Yeah.
That's for the chain.
That was for the bottom one.
Oh, there's two separate ones.
Well, no, there's no pin for this one. This one should be fairly loose. The fact that it isn't is a minorly concerning thing.
What happens if you put both of them on at the same time?
No.
Go up a bit with the chain. Okay, and then go flip it.
So the one thing I'm wondering is like if we just need to rock this a little bit real quick because it might just be that there's some slack. Don't do that. The two halves of the cam trays will separate as you're pulling it down, and the cam will kind of be all over the show in there. And so like the trick is you just zip tie the cam trays
Finally about to
together
time the motor
and
fully.
then slowly
Let's
walk
go.
it down as like a whole inch alive. So the cam and the two halves of the cam. So like I went like that, and I go okay, like.
Zero.
Basically, like that's your zero right at the very top,
Yeah.
and then I went, okay, how far do you have to go to get to come
Up
all the way up?
Yes, sir. Just like that. It's all timed. Let's go. It's fully timed. Ready for the valve cover. Just got it sitting right here.
That's the thing.
Yes, sir. Homie's riding the motor. Man, we all done, bro. I can't even believe it. About to load it up in the car. Shit.
Yo, we look, you can turn it, you see? And just drop it in.